In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of enabling Meta AI on Instagram step by step. Firstly, ensure that your Instagram app is closed. Then, head over to the App Store or Play Store. If you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android devices, search for Instagram in the store and check if there's an update button available. If it's present, click on it to ensure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. This is crucial for Meta AI to work properly. Once you've updated the app, open Instagram again. However, if you still don't see Meta AI, follow these additional steps. Navigate to your profile and tap on the three lines. Scroll down until you find the Help section. Click on Report a Problem and select Include and Continue. Now, describe the issue by typing something like, "I am missing Meta AI on my account and need this to be fixed." Finally, click on Send in the top right corner. If you followed these steps and still don't have Meta AI, after 1 to 2 business days, be patient as it may take some time for the feature to become available on your account. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.